Hello everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to add contact widget on iPhone. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. All you have to do is to tap or hold anywhere here on your iPhone screen till you see this plus button at the top right corner. What you want to do next is to simply scroll down till you see contacts option or feature. So you have to scroll down here, and then once you found that contact, all you have to do is to tap it one. As you can see, we have other features here also that you can add. Okay, for calendar widget, we have here batteries, books, calendar, just tap contacts. Okay, next you have to tap this add widget here. Once you tap this one, then automatically you will see this contact widget right here. So if you tap this one, it will take you directly to this person's information or contacts information. So you can directly message, call, or mail this contact here. Okay, so we have also here send message, share contact, add to favorites, add to emergency contacts, share my location. You can also edit the person's information. Just tap the edit at the top right corner. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.